we in Tunapuna still, and try not to think about it, please.
We should just pee where we was.
Guys, today I am going to be running a few errands with this little child here.
Oh shit.
Yes, say hello.
Hi.
Right, she's feeling for dal rice and smoked herring. We have no smoked herring. I already made the dal and rice, so we go into the grocery to buy smoked herring. I also have to go into Kirab to pick up some stuff from one of my friends. And I also won something in a giveaway that I am going to be picking up today in St. Augustine. Now guys, if it is you all follow me on Instagram, you will see that I recently did a review on the antibacterial mask from Boxy Tea. So today we're going to be actually trying this on while doing our errands. I'm also filming a little IGTV for Instagram as well, and to give a final review on this. So yeah, so let's go smoke herring shopping. Guys, update time. We just passed the grocery, and I was supposed to pass in the grocery first and then go into Kirab to collect my stuff, but I passed the grocery, so I'm going Kirab.
We got distracted.
Yeah. Remember my friend who I told you has the empty pool in his house? Mm-hmm. This is it. It's not kind of. Say hi, Josh. Remember hello. Joshua? Oh yeah, we have on our mask.
But like,
alright, Joshua is mixing us something fancy because it is raining today. Oh, let's see my good camera kind of fuzzy. Say it now, Sarah. Say it now. Say why it's fuzzy.
oh, it's because it's an Android.
Let me take that.
Android people hate me.
Android people are not gonna hate you, but everybody who commented on the last video actually commented and said iPhone.
Oh, okay.
So our Android people are very shy. You all need to comment and big up on yourself because everybody feel iPhone is the biggest thing. Joshua, iPhone or Android?
I'm an Android.
That is my friend. So yeah, so we're gonna have something fancy outside raining, and then I tell you I won something in a giveaway. I don't know how, but I'm gonna collect my prize. This is the first time. I never win something before. I never ever win something before. You ever win something before? You ever win something before?
Yes.
You did? What?
I won the 10 million package with errands. I didn't even know it had a competition, like an international competition.
Well, I didn't know it was a giveaway too, and I just liked the post, and then I saw congratulations. So I was like, okay. Cheers. This is a nice glass too.
Let me cup. I say
I into glasses. Cheers again.
I into interior.
You all take your pictures fast.
Which one? Flash?
I just collected my giveaway. And how is your mask so far?
It's so breathable.
So breathable?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I just collected my giveaway. Guys, remember I told you I entered a giveaway. Well, I don't know if I entered the giveaway or whatever, but It's a glow powder from Artist Couture, as well as a powder brush. Thank you very much. This is the first time I ever won something, I'll be very honest. It's a nice feeling. Oh, you're taping! Hi! Hello!
That's so fun.
Update time on the mask. It's so far so
It's
good.
really comfortable.
Honestly, like I don't feel like taking it out. That's
Yeah,
being
whole
completely
road
honest.
she have it on and yeah.
Well, I mean, you're
amazing.
supposed to have it on all road, but you know, sometimes you just feel like taking it off. I don't feel like it. So I would definitely recommend this to you guys. Like myself, who just feel like it's stifling. I suffer with anxiety.
I feel like I suffer.
I just said
But
anxiety.
I'm not feeling like I suffer in this one.
So for me, it's very hard to be under a mask for so long. Even the medical mask, it gives me a bit of a difficulty in terms of breathing. This one is fine. So I will definitely recommend this. You remember them YouTubers long time?
Yeah.
Sorry, Lord.
Yeah, they used to do this on the other time.
No.
And that's all we really
All you know, we are by the smoke carrying as yet, and that was the whole highlight of the vlog. We did everything else. I collected my stuff from my friend. I went and I collect the stuff that I won in a giveaway.
And no smoke currency.
And with the smoke carrying, I'm in Tunapuna right now, and I have traffic. It is 4:47 p.m. in the afternoon. Well, duh, p.m. is afternoon. So you know, I kind of like home traffic, and I don't know why I'm looking right. There we go. I want to focus. I'm gonna give all an update time, guys. Here what's going on. We stuck in traffic, and we both want to use the bathroom.
Really bad.
Number one.
Me worse.
She said she would feel like she'll just pull up on the side of the road and pee up herself because she cannot keep it up. I want to go too, but I don't know what to do. We in Tunapuna still, and try not to think about it, please.
We should just pee where we was.
Well, let's see, we're in traffic. The traffic not really moving. For somebody who wants to pee or dancing up though. Okay, we on the horn. She can't keep it up anymore, and we can't stop anywhere. So
I thought she turned into a random road. I just can't.
looking, but we in a random road, but it just.
That was relief. Oh my god. That was kept up way too long. You know, you keep it up too long. You just have more to come out.
So you're good.
I'm good now.
Okay, good. So we
Next
good.
is you.
Next is me. Yeah, I feel it too, but not as bad. I will have my moment just now. It's after 5, and we now reaching the grocery to get the smoke current to the point where we don't even feel like eating it again.
I tell her let's buy ramen and just eat ramen. That's all.
She's making a real nice ramen, so yeah, maybe we could do that. I should get a bread. That's my favorite bread, all y'all. So how have you been?
I've been great. How have you been?
I've been good. Updates every time with the mask. All these is fast forward. We're looking for the ramen aisle.
It's gotta be in here.
Let's see how good it is.
No, it's not in here. It gotta be in
I'm
here.
breathing through a mask. Well, we got up in there.
It's not in here. No, it's not. It has to be in this one, if it's not. Wait. I feel it in here. Probably. Look at this! But they don't have your flavor. That don't matter. Yeah. It's my turn to pee now, and I feel like I can't keep it up. You just like me.
I don't know, maybe.
I don't know, is it normal for you guys, like do you guys, when you're taking something from a shelf, do you take the one from the back or you take the one from the front? I usually take the one from the back.
Me too.
It's just a thing for me, I don't know. I thought I was weird, but apparently Sarah does it too. So we just weird? I've never seen this before. Y'all ever had this? It's like $50. I don't think I will eat this though. Would you eat this? You would eat it?
Okay, so we're home. It is home time. It is bedtime. It is late.
It is.
It is like.
Sure, I don't have a cup of
Do you
tea.
know what clock in this room?
No. We had a fun day.
Yeah, she said she had a fun day, and again, I apologize that I didn't make you smoke Karen.
It's okay.
She had ramen instead. Apparently, they're discontinuing ramen, so we just went to
We're
get.
not sure about that.
Oh, you're not sure? Okay, here what? Forget that. Yeah, forget that. But she told me in the grocery day she heard they discontinued it, so she wanted to eat as much as she could. We know it's not good, but it just tastes good. Eggs or no eggs?
Both.
You're actually sleepy?
No.
Oh. Alright guys, so it was good. You all
scratching.
stay safe. Have a wonderful and blessed week. And we will see you next time. Come here and say bye.
Bye.